So here, the author Durvasa Maharshi is describing Ambal's, various enclosures. And now we are on. Let me share the other screen. Okay, one moment. Yeah. So we have seen, how in the outer enclosure, Bhadrakali and Mahakala are present. And then as you go inside, we have seen all the 6 Ritus: Vasanta Ritu, Grishma Ritu, Varusha Ritu, Sharad Ritu, Hemanta Ritu, and Shishira Ritu. We have seen all these 6 Ritus are present, they are present concentrically inside. As you enter into the Chintamani Graham, all these Ritus are present along with their Shakti and along with the Shishira Ritu. Along with Tapashri Tapasya Shri Sahita Shishira Ritu, a Devata called as Mantrini is present. Geya Chakra Ratharuda Mantrini Parisevita. Mantrini is Ambal's minister. Ambal has got Mantrini as her minister. Mantrini is nothing but Matangi Devi or Madurai Meenakshi Devi or Shyamala. They all mean the same Devi. Mantrini, Matangi, Meenakshi, Shyamala. And then Raja Matangi, they all mean the same deity. So Mantrini is present in this enclosure. And we have seen the description of Ambal's Yantram, Ambal's Geya Chakram. We have seen the description of Ambal's Geya Chakram. And now Ambal's appearance, Ambal's Dhyana Shlokam, Ambal's Swarupa Varnana is being described in from Shloka number 31. What is Shloka number 31? Acharya says, Durvasa Maharishi says, Tapinchame chakabham talidala ghatita karnatatankam tambula purita mukhim tamradara bimba drishta darahasam. This is what Ambal's Akriti, Ambal's, Swarupam is being described here. Tapincha me chakabham tali dhala ghatita karnatatankam. Ambal's color, as you see here, it is dark blue, just like how the feathers of a peacock, just like peacock's feather, Ambal's external appearance is dark blue in color, and Talidala Ghatita Karna Tatankam. Ambal is wearing a tatanka. Tatanka means a toad, an earring, and that earring is made up of tali dala. In those days, the panai olai, the palm leaf is taken, and then they will make a ring out of the palm leaf, and that is what worn in the ear as earrings. That is why tali means leaf. A palm leaf is called as tali. Tali dala means palm leaf. And that palm leaf Ambal is wearing on her ears. Shyamala Dantakam is a very famous work of Kalidasa. Manikya Veenam Upalalayantim Madalasam Manjula Vagvilasam Mahendra Nila Dyutikomalangi Matanga Kanyam Manasasmarami, says Kalidasa. And in that Shyamala Dandakam, Kalidasa says, Vallaki Vadana Prakriyalola Talidalabadha Tatanka Bhusha Visheshanvite Siddha Sammanite, says Kalidasa. Even there, Ambal Kalidasa is experiencing Ambal as someone who is wearing Talidala as her earring. Mahaperiyava says it is that Talidalam has become Tali. Tali is Mangala Sutra, right? In for married women. Apparently in those days people were wearing, that tali dalam, that palm leaf as their mangal sutra. That is why in Tamil that mangalyam is called as tali. And then later, because of changes in times, it has become what it is right now. But that is what in those days people used to use. I remember Mahapereva saying somewhere in Daivathin Kural. So tali dala ghatita karna tatangam ತಾಂಬೂಲ ಪೂರಿತ ಮುಖೀಂ ತಾಮ್ರಾದರ ಬಿಂಬ ದೃಷ್ಟ ತರಹಾಸಾಂ. Ambal's lips is Tambula Purita Mukhi. Ambal has got lot of tambulam in her, in her mouth. For married women, tambulam is one of the Mangala Chinnam. For married women, tali, earring, their Mangal Sutra, Valayal, bangles, metti, mukuti, kunkumam, they all are Mangala Chinnam. And Ambal is Tambula Purita Mukim, and Ambal's lips are so red, like that Kovai Param. Like Kovai Param, Ambal's red are so red. Tambula Purita Mukim, Tamradara Bimba, Drishta Darahasam. And next shloka, the Varnana is continuing. Kunkuma Pankila Deham, Kuvalaya Jivatu Shavaka Vatamsam. Kokanada Shona Charanam, Kokila Nikwana Komalalapam. Ambal has smeared her body with kunkumapu. She has smeared her body with saffron. Kunkuma pankila deham kuvalaya jivatu shavaka vatamsam. Ambal is having Chandran in her head. So kuvalaya jivatu shavaka vatamsam kokanada shona charanam kokila nikwana komalalapam. Ambal's feet is so red in color. Kokanada shona charanam. Shona means red in color. Kokanada shona charanam. Kokila nikwana komalalapam. Ambal's voice is like kokila. It's like kuil. Just like a kuil கூவுறது மாதிரி Ambal's voice. It is this Matangi or Mantrini Devi. She is so auspicious for all the fine arts. If somebody wants to become excel, if somebody wants to excel in fine arts like singing, dancing, arts, etc., this Matangi Devi is to be propitiated. And that is why Matangi has got Kokila Nikwana Komalalapam. That is why people say, if somebody wants to have nice voice, they have to go to Madurai Meenakshi temple and they have to do Abhishekam for Meenakshi with honey. If they do Abhishekam for Meenakshi with honey, they will be blessed with honey-like voice, they say. So Madurai Meenakshi is a form of Matangi Devi. So that is what here Acharya, Durvasa Acharya says. Moving on to the next shloka. Vamanga Galita Chuli, Vanamalya Kadamba Malika Bharanam. Vamanga Galita Chuli. Ambal is called as Vamakeshi. Vamakeshi Vimanastha, says Lalita Sahasranama, right? Vama means left hand side. Vama literally means left hand. Kesha means hair. Ambal has got her hair on the left hand side. Ambal has got braids and she has put her braids on the left side. Vamanga Kalita Chulim, Vanamalya Kadamba Malika Bharanam. And Ambal is having Vanamali. Ambal is having the Vanamala and Kadamba Mala as well. Kadamba Vanavasini. Meenakshi Ambal is called as Kadamba Vanavasini. Madurai itself was called as Kadamba Vanam. In Kadamba Vanam is so auspicious for Ambal. Ambal, all the Ambals loves the Kadamba Pushpa, Kadamba Mala. So even Ambal Matangi is also wearing Kadamba Malika Bharanam. Mukta Lalantikanchita Mugdhalika Milita Chitrakodaram. Ambal is having a Netichuti. No, Netti Chutti is that ornament that you wear on your forehead. Ambal is wearing that Netti Chutti, and Ambal's hair, if we see the curly hairs of Ambal is present on her on her Netti, on her forehead. The nice small curls of small hair is present on her forehead, and Ambal is also having tilakam. Mugdhalika Milita Chitrakodaram. Ambal is also having Kasturi Tilakam on her forehead. Moving on, Karavidruta Kira Shavaka Kala Ninadavyakta Nikila Nigamartam Vamakucha Sangi Veena Saukhyartha Militakshiyukam. Ambal is having a parrot on her hand. If we see Ambal's right hand, there is a parrot, right? So that parrot, what is saying is that the sound coming from the parrot, because parrot speaks, right? Sound coming from the parrot, the speech coming from the parrot is explaining all the meanings of the Vedas. Kala Karavidruta Kira Shavaka Kala Ninadavyakta Nikhila Nigamartham. Nigama means Vedas. Nikhila Nigamartham, all the Vedic meanings, Veda and Vedantic meanings are being explained by the parrot that is present in Ambal's hand. Even if we say Madurai Meenakshi, the hand, parrots in her hand is so famous, right? So Karavidruta Kira Shavaka, Kalaninadavyakta Nikhila Nigamartham, Vamakucha Sangi Veena Saukyartha Militakshiyugam. Ambal is also having a veena on her hand, right? So Ambal is having veena on her hand, and Ambal's eyes is half closed, meaning Ambal is enjoying that veena vadana. In fact, veena is the only musical instrument that is being told in Vedas. We now have lot of musical instruments, and even in Vedas there were lot of musical instruments were present, but only Veenas are there even till now. So normally people will say you cannot play any Vedas in musical instrument. Nowadays we are seeing people are playing Sri Suktam in violin. People are playing Rudram in violin or in a harmonium. That is completely wrong. Vedas can only be chanted with their mouth. Vedas should not be played in any musical instrument except for Veena. Only Veena, Veda can be played. Whenever people are doing that Seemandam, Seemandam, we say, right, baby shower. If you want to call it in English, it is called as baby shower. That Valaihapu Seemandam, whenever a woman is pregnant, they will have on the 7th month or so, they will have a ritual called as Valahapu and Seemandam. And in that Seemandam day, during that Seemandam day, in the evening of Seemandam, there is a portion in Vedas that has to be played in Veena, says Shastra. So only in Veena, Vedic mantras can be played. So Veena has got that much role in our Sanatana Dharma, and Ambal is having Veena in her hand. She is also Saraswati Devi. Saraswati, Matangi, everybody is same. So she is having Veena on her hand. Next shloka. Apatalam Shukadharam Adirasonmesha Vasita Kataksham Amnaya Saragulikam Adyam Sangita Matrukam Vande. Ambal is wearing a nice bright red color sari. Apatalam Shukadaram Adirasonmesha Vasita Kataksham. Ambal is having nice bright red sari, and Ambal is Amnaya Sara Gulikam. Ambal is the capsule of entire Vedanta, meaning if you worship Ambal, you will get Atmajnanam. Amnaya Sar, literally Gulika means capsule. Amnaya Vedas. Amnaya Sara the Brahman that is being expressed in Vedas. Amnaya Saragulikam, capsule form of the entire Upanishad Arthas. Adhyam, the first and foremost. Sangeeta Matrukam Vande. I worship that Sangeeta Matruka, that Mantrini Devi, that I worship. With this, we will finish today's class. He is going to explain the next Avarana. We will see in the next class.